Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create background animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose star tool. Let's hold shift and make one star. Clickation tool and move to center, and for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon and clickation tool. So in this time let's press R, open rotation, create rotation keyframe and go to 10 seconds. Let's change rotation like this. And also move the anchor point to the center like this. Okay, let's enable title action save and put down like this. And preview animation. Okay. So in this time, let's select the shape layer, go to fill and choose here radial gradient and click OK. Go to fill color, let's click here. And first color, let's paste here color code, and second color, let's choose this mark and paste here color code. Okay, so in this one, let's click OK and change this color like this. Okay, so in this time, let's go to FX presets and search fast box blur and choose fast box blur used for shape layer. And go to blur radius, let's write here 95. Okay, in this time go to FX presets, search effect wave warp and use wave warp for shape layer. Okay, in this time for hide these lines, just click this icon and go to wave type. We can choose here and circle and change wave height like this. Let's write here 300 and wave width 500 and direction. Let's change direction like this. Okay, let's keep this 150. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And go to again wave warp, use shape layer, and now let's keep wave type shine and wave width. Let's write here 120 and wave width again 500 and direction. Let's change direction like this. Okay, let's preview. Nice, it works. Let's change quality for now, quarter. Okay, very good. So go to FX presets, search effect glow and use glow for shape layer and change glow settings. And let's turn off title action save and preview animation. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.